Hey YouTube, good morning, Captain Paul here, and today I want to do something over the next 3 days as we're getting the yacht ready to leave for the Panama Canal and over to the west coast from Florida here. I want to just go over and show you guys, take a personal look at the yacht and explain as much as I know about this yacht. So let's get started, and today we're going to start with the downstairs, the aft part of the boat. I'll actually do this in probably 5 series, and these will just be quick little 2 to 3 minute videos breaking down the yacht for you and showing you the yacht. Walk into the back. This is the master suite. This is a 65-foot LRC. It's a Hatteras. It was built in 1981. I think it was delivered in 1982. It holds 2,600 gallons of fuel. This is the master suite. So you can see it's got a queen size bed in the back here. It's got drawers. We've got closets over here, a little desk over here, and then all the drawers you can see. I also have a closet over here. This is the master head, and you got a sink, toilet, and a full-size stand-up shower just like you would in your house. Walking forward now, we're going to come out of the master suite, and then you have your washer and dryer unit right here. And then on this particular yacht, you step into the engine room from the back of from the master suite. So I would come down these stairs right here and come into the engine room. What powers this boat is 2 671 Detroit diesels. These are completely rebuilt Detroit diesels, and they put out about a little less than 200 horsepower a piece, so a total of about 400 horsepower. We have on this boat, we have state-of-the-art stabilization. This is our fuel management right here. And then we just put in a brand new stabilizer system. And you can see them on both sides of the boat. And those are our fins that go out and they keep the boat stable and level for us when we're out at sea. So, just wanted to share these couple little videos with you guys. Good morning. And we're preparing the yacht to leave. We plan on leaving here in the next few days. Just a quick little video just showing you the inside of the 65-foot LRC Hatteras. This is just the downstairs on the back side of the yacht, the aft part of the boat, and also midship, because that was taking you into the engine room on the downstairs. Tomorrow we'll work our way up the ladder. We'll go out and we're going to do the galley and the living room area is what we'll do tomorrow. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I hope you guys are sharing, and I hope you guys are rooting for us out there. I want to hear your comments down below.